video I am going to show you pattern grid using elements of designs, for which I have drawn a grid of 25 boxes. Before drawing a pattern, I am going to give a nice background color in each boxes, for which I am using a camel watercolor case. You can use any other color for background coloring like poster colors, tube colors or alcoholic markers. So here I am giving some of my favorite hues, that is yellow, orange, red, rust, olive green colors, and I will also add some very bright, bright medium, medium bright, medium dull, very dull or dull colors by mixing any two colors from the palette. You can give any color of your choice. Use nice colors for background because color is the most exciting design element, as it is the first thing noticed in the garment attracted by consumers. Color is a property of light, a sensation which occurs when the light enters eyes. The patterns on each background, which are the important factors or important elements of designs, that is structural lines, decorative lines, illusion lines, and the form of elements which create the three-dimensional object, height, width and shape, give the lightness and darkness, and which also have the types of geometric and natural shapes. Structural or decorative lines required to maintain the structure of the garment. For example, seams, decorative lines created by the designer purely for decoration. For example, a print on design. Forms is a three-dimensional object. It can be measured by depth and height, and there are two types of forms, geometric and natural. So here I am using some of the geometric and natural forms to create a pattern grid. I am using Staedtler Luna watercolor pencils, micron pens and glass markers to draw the elements of designs. You can use any of the colors or pen. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you to understand a pattern grid. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment and do subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.